Hi there, friends. Welcome back to my channel, where we bring creativity to life with fun and useful DIY projects. Today, I'm beyond excited to show you something really cool that I've been working on, a digital measuring device that I built from scratch. This little device is powered by an STM32F103 microcontroller, and at its core it uses an ultrasonic distance sensor module to measure distances with impressive precision. I've also added an LCD screen to display the results clearly and make it super user-friendly. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or just someone who loves tinkering with electronics, this project is sure to inspire you. Now, before we dive into the details, let me take a moment to thank our incredible sponsor, FNIRSi. The oscilloscope and power supply you'll see throughout this project are from their fantastic range of products. These tools have been absolutely essential in helping me fine-tune and test every aspect of this device. If you're as passionate about electronics as I am, you definitely want to check out their tools. They're reliable, versatile, and perfect for both beginners and professionals. I've included links to their products in the description and pinned comments below. Make sure to take a look. I promise you'll love what they offer. Now back to our project. In this video, I'll guide you through every step of the process, from assembling the components to programming the STM32 microcontroller. You'll also get a close-up view of how the ultrasonic sensor works to measure distances and how we're integrating everything to make it run seamlessly. If you're curious about the code or need tips on the assembly, don't worry, I've got you covered. But wait, there's more. I love hearing from you, so let me know in the comments what you think about this project. Do you have ideas for upgrades or similar projects you'd like me to try in the future? Your feedback means the world to me. If you're enjoying this video, do me a huge favor, hit that like button to let me know I'm on the right track. And if you haven't already, click subscribe and turn on notifications so you'll never miss out on more amazing projects like this. Trust me, we've got some incredible stuff coming up that you won't want to miss. Alright, let's jump right in and see how this digital measuring device works. Stick around until the end because I'll also share some tips and tricks for making your project even better. Thanks for being here, and as always, happy building!